guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So let me just say this, I'm at that stage of my life where I'm thinking about my health a lot, just trying to incorporate more exercise into my daily life and to add more healthy nutrients and vitamins into my diet. And last year I would see these juicers all over the place on the internet and at the stores, and I love carrot juice, and I decided, you know what, why don't I just get a juicer and start making my fresh carrot juice here at home? And that's what I've been doing. I've been really loving it, and I went online and I found these other juice recipes, not only to give me glowy skin but to also get rid of toxins, boost my immune system, and even to give me a flat stomach. So if you want to see all the juice recipes I've been making, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You guys, I have a new channel here on YouTube. It's called April Time, and I'm gonna start ramping it back up and start putting some new content on it. But if you can go over there and subscribe and support it, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to click on the notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get juicing. So the first juice I'm going to make, and one of my favorites, supports healthy, glowy skin. This blend includes carrots, beets, apples, cucumbers, lemon, and water. Now everything is packed with antioxidants and vitamins that will help to nourish your skin from the inside out. So the carrots and the beets help with circulation, and the cucumber is packed with water, so it helps with hydration. And the apple adds sweetness just so that it doesn't taste so bitter, and the lemon will add some brightness to the juice. So yeah, I'm just going to give everything a rough chop, just depending on what juicer you have. So I just wanted to help my juicer just a little bit with just cutting up the vegetables, and I'm just going to load it up. And I'm just going to fill it up with water. And once that's done, I'm going to put the lid on, press start, and it's just going to take 3 minutes to blend. So now that it's blended, I'm just going to strain the juice and get rid of that pulp just to make sure that it's nice and smooth. And once I'm done straining the juice, I'm just going to pour it into a mason jar. Look how vibrant it looks, all that deep color coming from the beets and the carrots. And I love squeezing just a little honey before drinking it. It tastes even better. Okay, so the next juice will help to kickstart your metabolism. And for this juice, I'm going to use beets, carrots, apples, orange, ginger, and water. And I really love ginger. Ginger really stimulates digestion and the metabolism. That's why I really love drinking this. So again, there's the bowl of rough chopped vegetables and fruit. So I'm just going to load it to the blender, add the water, and start blending away. And again, just to make sure that your juice is smooth, you want to strain the juice and separate the pulp. And beets is one of those vegetables that is really good for you. If you mix it with the oranges and the apples, it really helps to take down the bitterness. But it's become one of my favorite things to juice with, and I really love it. So this next juice supports digestion and helps to reduce bloating. So I'm using celery, apple, lime, ginger, and water. So celery is very hydrating and it supports digestion. Apple adds natural sweetness and fiber, and the lime will add brightness to the juice, and ginger stimulates digestion as well. And I know I've struggled with bloating a lot, especially around my stomach, and since drinking this juice is really helped me. As I'm straining it, I just really love the vibrant color from this juice as well. It's crisp from the celery, it has a little sweetness from the apple, and it has that kick from that ginger. It's so good. Okay, so this next juice supports your body's natural detox process. And this juice has celery, orange, lemon, ginger, and water. And again, the celery is full of hydration and it supports digestion, and the oranges and the lemons is full of vitamin C. It's just really light and refreshing, and it's become one of my favorite juices to drink before and after a workout. And this last juice I'm making will support immune health. And it has carrots, orange, lemon, ginger, and water. And this is a really yummy drink too. You get the sweetness from the carrots and the zestiness from the lemon and the ginger, just that little kick that I love. And like I said in the beginning, I used to buy carrot juice all the time, and it's a good thing that fruits and vegetables are still fairly inexpensive, so this will be a great way to get all your nutrients and vitamins without breaking the bank. But I really hope you try some of these juices, you guys, and start nourishing your body from the inside out. But if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with everybody you know, and if you give any of these juices a try, please comment down below and let me know what you think. But wait, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.